السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الحمد لله الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. ما بعد. So today we are going to begin Kitab Baa, the second letter of the Arabic language. Alhamdulillah, we finished Kitab Hamza. Today, Kitab Baa, we are going to begin inshallah. So the first letter is Ba, right? And it is used as a preposition, be. So it says an inseparable preposition denoting. Inseparable, that you have to join to a noun. So it's an inseparable preposition. So it'll join to something. خُذُوا مَا First meaning is with. خُذُوا مَا آتَيْنَاكُمْ بِقُوَّةٍ. Hold that which we have given you with strength. So one meaning is with. Because be or the harfu jar ba can be translated according to the context. The other meaning is during. وَمِنَ اللَّيْلِ فَتَهَجَّتْ بِهِ. And during a part of night, keep awake. The other meaning is what? During. And it could also mean in. أُدْخُلُوهَا بِسَلَامٍ آمِنِينَ. Enter therein in peace and secure. Fourth meaning is for. Al-anfa bil-anf. A nose for a nose. Fifth meaning is by. قَالَ فَبِعِزَّتِكَ لَأُغْوِيَنَّهُمْ أَجْمَعِينَ. He said, by your might, I will surely lead them all astray. It could also mean from. عَيْنَ يَشْرَبُ بِهَا عِبَادُ اللَّهِ. A fountain from which the servants of Allah drink. It also denotes the object of a transitive verb. وَإِذَا مَرُّوا بِاللَّغْوِ مَرُّوا كِرَامًا. So you can bring it with the بِاللَّغْوِ. When they pass by what is false, they pass by nobly. To support the subject, that is termed as zaida, additional, ba zaida, and it comes in negative questions or positive, generally in negative. وَمَا أَنْتَ بِمُؤْمِنٍ. B, this is zaida. لَنَا وَلَوْ كُنَّا صَادِقٍ. You will not believe us saying, but even though we speak the truth. So all the meanings, you can maybe write it down. B, with, during, or maybe with, for, from, by. All these are B. With, for, from, by. It depends on the context. Then balun si ba wa lam, babun si ba wa ba babun. Then ba hamza ra, bi'run. Bi'run is a well. Bi'run is a well. Well. Bi'run, well. And then bi'sa, ba hamza sin, bi'sa, evil, bad, very bad. Bi'sa sharab, an unorthodox word of blame. Bi'sa. Bi'sa sharab, evil is the drink. Bi'sa. 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 Evil. Bi'sa sharab. لَبِئْسَ مَا كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ. This lam is for emphasis. لَبِئْسَ مَا كَانُوا. Very bad is their work, or in their work. مَا كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ. Very bad. بِئْسَ. بِئْسَ الشَّرَابُ. لَا تَبْتَئِسْ. لَا تَبْتَئِسْ. Grieve not. Grieve not. لَا تَبْتَئِسْ. إِبْتَأَسَ يَبْتَئِسُ لَا تَبْتَئِسْ. And then ba'asun is terror, punishment. Ba'asuna. Ba'asun. Ba'asun, terror, punishment, or punishment, we could write punishment. فَجَاءَهَا بَأْسُنَا بَيَاتًا أَوْ هُمْ قَائِلُونَ. A terror came to them by night or while they slept at noon. بَأْسُنَا, power, violence. وَأَنزَلْنَا الْحَدِيدَ فِيهِ بَأْسٌ شَدِيدٌ. Here does not mean it does not mean punishment, it means power. And we send down iron, where it's mighty power. Note, sending down of iron may well allude to the earliest form of the metal, its meteoric origin before it could be obtained from its ores. It could also mean adversity, problem. بَأْسُهُمْ بَيْنَهُمْ شَدِيد. The adversity among themselves is very great. Adversity, enmity. It could also mean conflict, war. وَالصَّابِرِينَ فِي الْبَأْسَاءِ وَالضَّرَّاءِ وَحِينَ الْبَأْسِ. And the patient in distress and affliction and in the time of conflicts. Ba'sa and ba's. Tribulation, distress. The plural of ba'sun is ba'sa. The kind of evil that relates to property such as poverty. Compare darra. Darra. See, dad, ra, ra. And this is what ba is, poor, needy. Ba'is al-faqir. And then ba'is is dreadful. So many meanings of ba'sun, no? One is evil, punishment, power, violence, ba'sun. Evil is bi'sa. And then ba'sun, terror, punishment, violence, war, conflict, adversity. And ba'is is a poor, needy. And ba'is is dreadful. Ba'is. Next, ba, ta, ra, abtar. Tailless, that is cut off from all future hope. Battara yubattiru. Oh, this is batara yabturu. Okay. Batran. Batara. To cut off. Batara. Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar. Fasalli li rabbika wanhar. Inna shaniyaka huwa al-abtar. So we can write abtar, cut off. Abtar. Abtar. Abtaru. Cut off. Cut off. Amputate. Amputate. Then Hamza, Bata Kaf. Bata Kaf. Kaf. Surely they will cut off. Layubattikunna. This is cutting off. Bataka yabtuku, to cut. Literally cut. This is from hope. Amputate. Same similar meaning, no? They will cut the ears of animals. Shaitan will tell, Iblis will tell, they will cut the ears. Layubattikunna adhanahum. So that is cutting off this thing. Bataka. Then bata and lam. Tabattal. Devote. Yeah. Tabattal ilayhi tabtila. So tabattala or battala both mean same. Tabattala. Tabattala, to devote. Devote. Battala yubattilu, tabattala tabattalu, tabtil, devotion. Tabattala ilallah, he detached himself from worldly things and devoted himself to God, to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and he forsook every other thing and applied himself to the service of God. This is called tabattala ilallah. Then we have bathatha, batha, disperse. Batha. Like on the day of judgment, people will disperse, right? It's spread. Batha yabuthu bathan. Bab nasara yabuthu, disperse. Bathun is also means distress, anxiety, distress. Innama ashku bathi wa huzni ilallah. Bathi, distress. Bath could also mean distress. Al mabthuth, scattered. Mabthutha, spread. Mabthuth. And then what is this? Munbathun, scattered. Imbassa yambathu. Mumbath, scattered. Then you have ba jim tha. Bajatha. Bajatha yabjuthu batsan. To scratch, dig. Yabjathu. Yabjathu. Bajatha, to scratch. Bajatha. Yabjathu. Bajatha. To scratch. And then Bajim seen imbajasat, bajasa yabjusu, to open. Gushed forth. The river gushed forth. Imbajasat minhu ashrata aina. Bajasa. To open. Bajasa, to open. Maybe you can write imbajasa also. Imbajasa. Bajasat. Form 7, this is no? To gush forth. Imbajasa. Bahara. Bahr is sea. Bahr, sea. Bahrun, sea. Sea, Bahrun, Bahran, Bahrain, yeah, Bahrain, two seas. Bihar, Abhur. Bahr has two plurals, Bihar and Abhur. And Bahira. Bahira, that is the mother camel whose milk was dedicated by pagan Arabs to their gods. Bahira was the camel which they did, which they dedicated to. That the milk should not be taken. It's called Bahira or Saiba and all those names. Okay, I think this is enough for today. Inshallah ta'ala. So we learned bi'run is well, bi'sa is evil, ba'sun, punishment. Ba'sun has so many meanings: punishment, war. Ba'is is poor, and then abtal, cut off, tabattal, to devote, batha, to disperse, batha, yabuthu, and bajasa is to scratch. Spelling of scratch is incorrect. Scratch. And then bajatha, and then bajasa, seen, tha and seen, to open, or in the Quran it comes as imbajasa, to gush forth, the rivers gush forth. And then bahrun is sea. Bahr is sea. Inshallah, we'll continue with ba khaf seen in our next class. Barakallahu feekum, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.